Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Rhino toy is probably one of the most fascinating and diverse toy categories available, ranging from realistic replicas perfect for collectors to cuddly plushies ideal for children, offering a unique blend of educational value and playful fun that caters to a wide spectrum of interests and age groups. Discovering the perfect Rhino toy involves careful consideration of material, size, detail, and intended use, ensuring a purchase that aligns with your specific needs and preferences. Number 5. Schleich Indian Rhinoceros. It's crafted with precision and authentic detail. This makes it a great way to introduce children to animals and inspire their imaginations. It's designed to encourage safe and creative pretend play. Whether it's on its own or part of a bigger collection, it sparks fun. It's part of the wildlife collection. It makes a great gift and can be used alone or added to a larger play world. As an 85-year-old company, we're committed to quality and safety. It's built to withstand years of play. Experts say it inspires imaginative play, a key part of healthy childhood development. It's a toy that helps kids learn and grow. What we like. It boasts intricate details and realistic design, making it a great educational toy. If you're looking for a high-quality, long-lasting figurine that sparks imagination, this is it. This is perfect for collectors or children who appreciate accuracy and detail in their toys. What people say. Beautifully designed and so realistic, it will go perfectly with our collection. The mold of this Indian Rhino toy is incredibly detailed, including skin folds and bumps. The paint job is amazing. The quality, accuracy, and beauty of each creature is unsurpassed by anyone else. Number 4. FUNSHOWCASE Jungle Animals. Get ready for an exciting adventure into the African jungle with these realistic animal figures. They are made from high-quality, safe materials, perfect for imaginative play. These adorable animal figures are made of durable, eco-friendly ABS plastic. They're BPA-free, ensuring safe play for your little ones. Each figure is meticulously hand-painted, bringing out the unique details and beauty of these magnificent creatures. They're incredibly lifelike. It's more than just a toy, it's a gateway to imaginative adventures. Use them for storytelling, decorating cakes, or creating miniature worlds. These figures are a fantastic educational tool, helping children learn about African wildlife while having endless fun. They spark creativity and learning. These versatile figures are perfect for various activities, from school projects to decorating cakes, or even creating a miniature jungle scene in your child's room. What we like. Hand-painted with safe, BPA-free materials, it's versatile and perfect for various uses. If you need a safe and affordable option for imaginative play or educational projects, this is a great choice. It's also ideal for party favors or creative projects. What people say. Well made and authentic looking without being too scary for a small child. These are great quality and very durable. Rhino habitat presentation with a predator in the background. The rhinos were solid and not light plastic like some. Number 3. Safari Limited White Rhino Toy. It's part of a larger collection of realistic animal models, perfect for curious young minds. This figurine is designed to spark a love for wildlife and learning. At 5.75 inches long, it's easy for children to handle and play with. It's about the size of a soda can, making it a great toy for kids of all ages. It's more than just a toy, it's a learning tool. It helps children learn about white rhinos and the importance of conservation. Experts crafted and painted it, ensuring scientifically accurate details. You'll be amazed by how lifelike it is. Made with non-toxic, BPA-free materials, it's safe for kids and built to last. Enjoy it for years to come. Collect them all and build your own wildlife collection. It's a fantastic way to learn about animals from around the world. What we like. This figurine is incredibly realistic and serves as an educational tool, making it a great addition to any collection. If you value accuracy and educational value in your toys, and are looking for a piece to add to a collection, this is the perfect choice for you. It's also a great way to teach children about wildlife conservation. What people say. Muy detalada, lindas colores, muy bien rinoceronte. This may be a toy rhino but very realistic looking. Has folds in the skin, and is very unique. The detail in this is amazing, and it is a nice hefty toy. Number 2. Playmobil Rhino Kit. Introducing the Playmobil Rhino and Baby. This dynamic duo is ready for adventure. Watch them charge into imaginative play. The set includes both an adult and a baby rhino, perfect for creating exciting scenarios. They're ready to join your child's existing Playmobil world. Young animal enthusiasts will adore this hands-on set. It's a fantastic way to spark creativity and a love for wildlife. It's more than just a toy, it's a tool for learning and exploration. Children can develop their creativity and storytelling skills while having fun. This set is fantastic on its own, but it also combines seamlessly with other Playmobil sets. The possibilities for imaginative play are endless. Get ready for hours of fun with this exciting Playmobil set. It's the perfect gift for any child who loves animals and imaginative play. What we like. It's a fun and interactive toy that encourages imaginative play and can be combined with other sets. If you are looking for a fun and engaging toy that sparks creativity and can be part of a larger play world, this is a great option. It's perfect for children who love hands-on play and building. What people say. Playmobils are always durable and cute. These tigers' heads and tails move. The bears are nice quality. They feel thick as well as the tree. The tree is very sturdy, it doesn't fall when you put the koala bears in. Grandson loves them. Playmobil toys are durable and can be passed down to future generations. I expect Playmobil Penguin family to last through many years of play. Number 1. Exceptional Home Rhino Duo. This charming set includes a mama rhino and her sweet baby. They're irresistibly soft and perfect for cuddling. Made from the softest plush materials, they're cozy and comforting. These are perfect for imaginative play and bedtime snuggles. Surprise a loved one who adores rhinos with this adorable duo. It's a gift they'll cherish. They look great on a shelf, nestled in a bed, or held in little arms. They bring warmth and joy to any home. We're a small business creating durable plush animals for animal lovers. We offer a variety of mama and baby animal sets. What we like. Made from irresistibly soft plush materials, it's perfect for snuggling and imaginative play. If you are looking for a comforting and cuddly companion for your child, or a whimsical addition to your home, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for children who love soft toys and bedtime cuddles. What people say. The baby is about the size of Beanie Boos, which makes it the perfect size to snuggle. The mom is larger, but not too big to carry around. They are so soft, built well, and seem like they will last him for years. Loved this for my son. He loves rhinos. And he still has these years later. It's cute. One is small and one is bigger. Lightweight, fun to play with and a good gift to those kiddos who love animals. These pigs have very cute faces and are very soft. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.